Hi, good morning everyone. Today I am here again with the new content for you. As I promised in the last video that I will give my contact to you. So I am going to give my contact in this video. But for that you have to watch my video till the end. Today we are going to discuss about how to learn English. We are trying to learn English for many years, but we are still struggling. Today, we are going to discuss that how to represent yourself in front of others. Well, what do you think? What is the first condition to speak? Do you have any idea? Yes, it is about learning to speak. You are not going to be fluent in English till the day you don't try it regularly. So, try it regularly, try it with yourself. Now, you are going to think that to whom should I speak? Well, I have the answer of your question. Talk to yourself. Talk regularly and feel the difference. Sometimes try to speak with others. And don't be stressed, don't be timid. And I have a suggestion for you. You can try it. Practice in front of mirror will boost your confidence. What is the second condition of speaking English? The second condition is imitating. Try to copy the foreign speakers. Change the sentence in your own way and give it a different level. You can also add some ideas to describe it. For example, if I would say that I am living here in Canada over 19 years, then you should not get the same. You are supposed to get it as she has spent most of her life in Canada. Did you notice something here? I have to change noun, pronoun, verb, adverb just in order to change my sentence in my own way. What's that mean? Well, it will actually sharpen your mind because your mind have to suffer for getting ideas and it will also improve your grammar. Let me explain to you by another example. In this example, I am going to rephrase the sentence. So, the sentence is, I get up early in the morning at 6 and then I get ready for the college and then I came back at 3. So, you can change it like this. She has the normal routine like others, but she is having the very good habit of getting up early in the morning. And I think I should try it in my life as well. It is called paraphrasing. So, to conclude, take these two conditions as challenge and try it. The first one is practicing English and the second one is about the combination of imitating and paraphrasing. I hope it will help to boost your confidence. I want to leave something interesting for you. I have a question for you. So the question is, do you know how many types of English are there? And also tell me the further parts of it. Leave your comment in the comment box. I will give my contact in the description. Thank you for watching my video. Please take care of yourself and your family and help others by staying home. Thank you again.